Hi, this is Dan Maggart with Growmark Agronomy Services, and we're here in the middle of October assessing a grower's overall cover crop strategy. And in this particular field, the grower aerially applied about 1 bushel of cereal rye per acre over the top of the crop about Labor Day, or the first part of September, in the R5, R6 stage of corn growth. And as you can see, as I pan across this field does tend to slope. It could have some issues with soil erosion. Certainly would be some issues, as you can tell, with wind erosion. There are some wind breaks here, but not much. But this farmer will no-till soybeans into this as soon as possible next year. But if you can look out and see, there's a lot of green between the rows. We've got a tremendous stand of cereal rye to take this grower into next spring. So as we examine this stand just a little bit closer, we do see just a tremendous stand of cereal rye that has come up, a very successful seeding, I would say, and just lots of protection and ground cover here for a great setup for no-till soybeans, and resisting that erosion effect from the impact of raindrops. Of course, we mentioned the wind here. And this was a high-yielding corn crop yield, and the farmer said about 230 bushels per acre on this field. But yet, we find within watch that there's ample amounts of nitrates still kind of lingering out in fields that probably was mineralized throughout the season, and the crop just did not utilize all the nitrogen that it had available to it. So again, as our science assessment points to cover crops as being a very valid and viable tool to sequester some of those nitrates that might be left over from harvest.